Good morning! So, kakagising na namin. Gising na actually kami mga 6:30. It's 6:53 and we're just going down. Kakain lang kami ng breakfast. We had a good sleep. It's good. And yeah, because included in their packages are breakfast buffet is part of what you're paying for the room. So, balang tayo. Tarahan? So, yung mga bata, nasa ibang rooms sila. Morning, we're just going for breakfast. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. Ang dami ng tao pala. And so we're having breakfast here. Napareserve namin yung room dito, yung table. And by the beach, that's really nice. Ayan. Look, ang ganda. Early morning. It's really good. This is their breakfast, by the way. So, garlic rice. May plain rice doon. May pasta. Mashed potato. Paksiw na tuna. That's nice. Chicken. Pork adobo. And then we've got beef balls here. We'll go to the other side. We'll check what's here. So this was where the fried station was yesterday. So meron silang tuyo doon. Sardinas and dried beans. There's a noodle station, chicken congee. Let's check. And then the condiments for it. That again, we have pear and carrot salad, corn kernel salad, kimchi.
They already
And then we have the bread stations, waffle station, and French toast, and then pancakes. We have salads over there, cheeses, fruits. And then pudding. Ube pudding. So, wala silang chocolate champurrado pero meron silang ube champurrado. Wow. Nice. Mag-rice muna tayo. Meron din silang pork soup again. Meron sila niyan last night. That's really good. Amazing. Tayo sa mga breakfast food. Filipino breakfast. Ayan. Tayo. Nice. Family is here. Yun na kinuha ko. Ayan. Guys, in case na medyo malabo siya, nasa loob kayo ng plastic. Yung ganyan.
From Thursday to Friday.
Anyways, maulan siya. I don't know why, but that's fine. Maulan din bukas?
Yeah.
Maulan din bukas?
Well, it's not saying that it's raining today, but...
35% lang.
Ano? Pero na.
Meron na? Ayun.
Ako sa mukha kanina.
Ayun pala sila ata. Ay! Yeah. So, our plan today is actually mag-island hopping. Yeah, the weather doesn't look very well. Pero pwede na. Ayan. Ha? Tours. Can you do it? Good job. And we're going on ano yun? Island hopping. Ayun. Yay! Ayan. So, sa ano kami sa Shingli? Recommend niya ng tita namin, si Tita Lulu. Shout out. Thank you, tita. And may nirecommend siya sa amin na tour guide, si Dan. Papakilala ko mamaya. He's really good. If gusto nyo, you can look for him next time. Under siya ng Shingli Tours. S-H-I-N-G-L-E-Y. Yan. There you go. Excited. Siguro mga ano siya, 20 minutes. Yeah, so right here at Puka Beach.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ito yung Puka Beach. Nagpicture kami. Actually, yung mga tour guides like si Kuya Dan and ang galing nila mag-picture. As in, talented talaga sila. Ano ko pala, ilagay sa screen yung ano ni Kuya Dan yan. Si Kuya Dan sa Shingli Tours. Sa likod ni Ronald. And then yung mga, nandun din sa mga, yung mga Boracay na mga sandcastle na yan. Ang galing din nila mag-picture actually. So, you don't have to worry. Bigay mo na sa kanila yung phone. Pwede na. So, this is Puka Beach. Tingnan yung sands. Ang ganda. Ganda-ganda. So, pino-pino. Pero, sabi nila mas maganda pa daw yung sand sa Station 1. Hindi pa namin napuntahan kasi nasa Station 2 kasi kami. Pero puntahan namin. Yan. Very nice. Nasa gitna kami actually. In the middle of the sea. Not really, pero yeah. So I'm just gonna put down the phone and just gonna put on our life vests. We're just going down. Punta lang kami sa island na to. Ano pangalan nito kuya dito? Tabon? Sa Katiklan, Tabon Bye-Bye. So they dropped us here for lunch. So part of the package we got from Shingli is may kasama na siyang lunch. So which is quite good. So this is like a local daungan nila ng mga ano nila vessels nila. So dito na kami sa Shingli Nikan. This is where the lunch is together with the whole package of
Lunch sauce.
Ian!
Video mo eh.
Ate! Video! Hi!
Bye.
Ayan! We are on the tricycle. We are at Crystal Cove. Focus natin yung Crystal Cove. Nag-snorkeling kami. Kasama na din siya. Magbabayad ka lang 100 pesos environmental fee, but it's all done. That's a wrap up for the day. Tomorrow na namin gagawin yung banana boat and ibang water activities. So that's really good. And hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So again, look for Dan. I'll put his contact number down below. So he's really good, very reliable, and yeah, very helpful siya sa amin. So we're just gonna go swimming here sa beach. Seashore naman tayo. So we haven't tried coming over. Ang init kasi. Grabe, nangangain siya. Ayun. Hey guys, so we are at the golden hour. Look at that. A beautiful sunset sa Boracay. So pretty. Ayun. It's so pretty. Jollibee pa rin sa Boracay. Bida, ang sarap. So we just had dinner at Jollibee. Ako yung binili ko mang inasal. Yan, so look how lively is everything. So in every establishment or restaurant, merong kumakanta. The doggy.
Kung paano ng bata yun.
Ay, mama po, de la house. Service.
Ha? Ano? Walang tayong gagawin, di ba? Paparong service massage na ako. Kasi, sabi ko ako na mayaki. Tapos sabi mo, ano yun? Akala niya siya yung kinakausap mo. Oh my God, yung tenga ko, alam mo, it's so blocked. Parang may water siya na marami. Bait naman ang babae yun. Pinagtulungan siya ng braid. Tapos, nagka-camera ako, gumanyan siya, foreigner. Tapos, dingi ako siya. Tapos, manyan, nag-smile. Sabi ko, nag-smile din ako. At least, eh. So, station 2 pa to siya.
My mama told me when I was young,